in this problem we're going to follow these steps to draw this tangent line that is tangent to both circles here, and then find the length of the line between the tangent points 1 and 2. So first make sure that ortho is on, then click on the line tool and click anywhere on the screen, move right and type 8, that is the length of the line. Right click, cancel. Now we're going to draw two circles, one with radius 1 at the left end and then the other one with radius of 2 at the right end. So click on the circle tool, make sure to use the center radius option, click the left end of the line and type 1, enter, then right click, repeat circle, click the other end and type 2, press enter. Now click on the line tool again, and this time we're gonna turn the ortho off and then type TAN. TAN is for tangent, press enter, click the first circle here and then type TAN again and then click the second circle, right click, cancel. Now select this line, right click, click properties, and the length is 7.9373.